Hello everyone, I'm back again. Today I want to make number 21, I think, yes. Maybe I will do 2 today, maybe I'll make 22, but I'm not sure yet. My mojo is a bit gone, because it's very intensive to make every day a page. Well, that isn't very intensive, but filming it and editing the video and uploading, and well, it takes me half a day every time again. So, and that's pretty much. So I'm not sure if I will do 1 a day. Maybe I will do 2 a day. We'll see. So yesterday I've been to the hospital again for a checkup. Well, everything was okay, but I got new medicine. I can't explain it in English because I don't know the exact words for it, but it's okay with me. They didn't find cancer cells anymore, so I think it's okay. We'll wait and see until a half a year. I have to go back, so that's okay. But well, yesterday I didn't do a December daily page because yes, it was too much in one day. So I will try today again. Number 21, I said, yes. I prepared a few things. I want to glue this little envelope on here. I have a piece of ribbon, kind of. Got it from the thrift store last week. I want to do it like so. This is going to be my journaling card, but I'm gluing it on this little lady, like so. And then putting it in the envelope like so. I made the number, I stamped the number 21, so I will glue that somewhere, and I have some pink washi tape to fill up some spaces. So that's what I'm going to do with day 21. I'm going to glue the envelope. I'm thinking, how shall I do this? Maybe I could do such a thing too, or with washi tape. With washi tape. Because I don't want to glue this, because I'm afraid I don't have enough space then. So I'll glue some tape on it, like so. Straight. Bend it. Like so. And now I'm gluing it on. Like so. Not quite in the center, in the middle. yeah, I was thinking of cutting this piece off, but I don't. That's the way I want it to glue it on. And yeah. I hope you can understand the mumbling I'm doing, because when I'm tired my voice goes down and use the wrong words. Don't know what I'm saying exactly. So we'll glue this on. How shall I do that? A few dots here and there, I think. Just see if that's okay. Yes, you don't see that. So I will do some dots on here now. That's easier. Like so. This has to dry. Oops. And I will cut those pieces off when it's dry. Glue this. I think I'm gluing this also to the, and maybe some more tape here. Still can bend it over, I hope. Oh no, I glued it. I glued it. I glued it. Well, I will cut. Try a bit. Yeah. Not quite. Okay, honey. Where are my tweezers? Oh dear. Oh, here. I have to cut off a little piece. So that's okay. I forgot I glued it already, and that's okay. Like so. Maybe a itsy peachy glue on here. Hold it and glue the flap. So, Pum-ty dum-ty 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 dum, pum pum pum-ty dum 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 dum. Yeah, it's not straight. Oh my god. Sorry. Well, I can't get it off again. So that's okay. Maybe I can camouflage it with tape. Where, oh, I can't find the beginning. Here, yeah. Just gluing it like this. Then maybe it seems straight. Try again, honey. other side. Oh, why not? Does it look straight now? Yeah. So we've got that off. We've got that off. And that. And this one. Like so. Now the number 21. Could do it there. Yeah. It's strange, when I'm gluing it on, it's not straight, and I look on my TV or my monitor screen, and then I see it's not it's wonky, not straight. So that's odd. Maybe my glasses are not right. I'm not sure, but when I glue it on, I think, well, that's straight, and when I look at the screen, it's not. So, well, I camouflaged it. Well, I like it this way. So this is page 21, and I'm going to make page 22 too. And I have some stuff here. This is a beautiful card of a Dutch drawer artist, a Dutch artist, Trompke. So I will glue that also on the page, like so, or like so. I'm not sure yet. Oh no, I will not glue it on. I have another paper clip. I want to use like so, a bit lower. Oh yeah, I had a little thing here. Well, I just glue one end so I can tuck the card under, if you know what I mean. Like a kind of photo corner, something like that. Oh, a bit lower. So hold it for a while. I thought I had number 22. Oh, I don't think so. I don't see it, so I think I don't have it. 22 I have blue tape. I will use that. I will search for a number first. So I have two numbers. Bit odd. An odd 22. But I'm going to use those two twos. Cut them a bit smaller. So I will glue this on, because he deserves credits. Everyone does, but like so. Do I like that? Yeah, why not? Like so, and now the number 22. Oh, I will show you what I did, or what I'm doing. Cutting the two a bit smaller, like so. Well, so this is 21. I'm going to journal on this piece. And this is 22, and I'm going to journal on this piece. Just tuck it under. And do it like so. With the paper clip. Well, these are my 2 pages for today. Thank you for watching. Bye!